Hello, fellow Rosarians. Thank you for joining me today. This is our 9th giveaway. 2 days ago, we did a video for One Love Rose and Gardens, and I asked you all to support small business, and how we were going to do that was to look at their upcoming website and make recommendations. Also to let them know any roses that were not on their site that we were hoping that they would consider adding in the future. Your responses were overwhelming, and I am so thankful that you took the time to do that. I know that One Love appreciated your responses, and we're all setting them up to be as successful as possible with their launch, and so I appreciate that. So with that, let's talk about that giveaway. This is a giveaway from One Love, and they are offering a Evelyn rose, and it'll ship to the winner in the spring. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get to the drawing. So the winner is the Rose Geek. Yay! I'm just kidding. Wouldn't that be fun though? I never win anything. But the winner is Nicole Schiffhauer. Nicole, I am so excited for you. If you would, just contact me through either my email or through Facebook, however you want, and we'll go ahead and get this set up for you. But congratulations. For everybody else that now is feeling mixed emotions about Nicole winning, I have another vendor that we are going to talk about in a couple of days for another chance for an Evelyn, so stay tuned. One of the things that I want to share with you is I have a merchandise site linked down below in the description. In the event that you are interested in buying t-shirts, sweatshirts, hats, anything that shows your love of roses, consider going there. And we just added navy blue hats, which I will definitely be wearing next season. So on all of your trips out to the box store, to the botanical center, everybody will know where your priorities lay. You're a rose geek. As we get started now, let's talk about eblooms. On their About section, they talk about their mission to be able to help underprivileged children. It's a lengthy read, so I'm not going to read the entire thing to you now, but if you would, just take a second so that you understand their mission and how they're giving back and how buying through eblooms helps underprivileged children. I have done a video in the past on eblooms, and I tried to show how long the blooms last because I just wasn't sure if I was spending $70 or so on roses, how long I'd be able to enjoy them. So what I found is on their website, they say that you should expect 3 days for vase life. I found that I really got much longer, like 5 to 6 days, sometimes even longer with the blooms. So I really enjoy buying eblooms when I need to pick me up. And I know as we're going into the shorter days, we're not gardening in the yard. If some of you are like me, those are sad times after the holidays are over. I guess after the new year, between New Year and when you're starting to garden between March, I'm like, oh man, you know, I'm feeling a little sad. And so this really has helped me and my spirits during those months to have fresh flowers around, be reminded of how beautiful the garden will be in the spring, and it gives me hope. So when you're looking at their website, I want you to search on English. You're not going to be able to search on Austin, but if you search on English, it will show you everything that they have that is a similar look to what we like with our English roses. You will be able to see Patience and Charity and Beatrice and so many other ones. They even have Yves Piaget. They've got Princess Charlene de Monaco. So beautiful roses out there, birthday gifts, Christmas gifts, Mother's Day, I mean for any event. And in fact, my son just announced that he's getting married, and I'm in charge of flowers, believe it or not. So I plan on having eblooms help me put together some beautiful arrangements, and I will share that with you next season as we have that event. So is it easy to order? Yes. They ship directly from Ecuador, and you can pick the date that you want it to send out. The person that I deal with is Fernanda. Very nice. It's going to be free shipping. The roses are going to be roughly $80, but we've got that Rose Geek code that'll give you $10 off. Every little bit helps. One of the fun things, if you look at each rose and you're scrolling down past the description, it will show you day 1. This is what the rose should look like through day 6. I have been working with them to try to see if they can get their hands on some of the other wedding rose varieties. So be looking for updates in the future. Hopefully they'll be able to do that. The other thing that I've been working with eblooms on, and I'd like your input. Would you be interested in a rose club? You know how they have those monthly clubs, whether it's a wine club, a cheese club, whatever club. I'm interested in a rose club where it's reasonably priced, that you would get a dozen roses per month and you would just pay in advance for a 3 month, 6 month, 12-month increment, whatever you're interested in. And I'm trying to work with them right now to see if that is something that they can possibly do. So what I would like for you to do for this drawing, eblooms is giving away a free arrangement with a value of $80. You'll be able to select if you want roses or if you'd like them to put something else together for you that is more holiday related, but that will be available to you. So my hope is that you will comment in the description and let me know if you would be interested in a monthly rose club. And my hope for that rose club would be that you would be able to select based on their current selection. If you're signing up for 3 months, you say, month 1, I would like patience. Month 2, I would like charity. Month 3. And so I'd like to see if we could do something like that. But I'm really interested in your thoughts. So thanks so much, and I will see you for tomorrow's giveaway.